Hey guys, today I am unbox Redmi 13 and giveaway also. So this is box and all specifications mentioned in the backside of box. And okay, this is physical overview. Now open. And guys, first of all, you can see user guide and SIM ejector tool and back cover also. This is decent quality back cover. In box, you can see 33-watt charger and USB Type-C. You can also see 33-watt mentioned in charger. Okay, now check out phone. Wow, look at this beautiful design. I mean, this is really premium quality design. Okay, right side you can see volume rockers and power button with fingerprint sensor. Downside you can see speakers, USB Type-C port and mic. And upside you can see 3.5mm jack and IR blaster. And left side you can see SIM slot. This is actually hybrid SIM slot. Okay, I remove it. This is really so satisfying. Okay, now power on device. Okay, now go to setting and check out about section. In this box, you can see HyperOS 1.0.4.0 and Android 14. And Redmi claim 2 years of update for this device. Okay, you can see fingerprint speed. Yeah, this is decent. I mean, not slow. Go to display and you can see this is 120 Hz refresh rate. I mean, pretty fast in this price segment. Yeah, actually fast. I'm going to bring complete detailed video of the Redmi 13 camera. So for now this is quick review. Now check out gaming test. Trust me guys, in this price segment, this is the best budget smartphone.
I need a weapon. Watch out. Marked a location.
Check out lock screen. Guys, HyperOS lock screen, no difference on iPhone and HyperOS lock screen. This is similar to iPhone, completely iPhone. I mean, you can see customize options. Completely look like iOS 18. Okay, in last, you can see this device with back cover. Guys, if you want to participate in giveaway, then check out description. And also if you want to purchase this device, then check out Amazon link in description. Go and participate in giveaway now. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.